Okay, boys, and welcome to today's video. So yesterday we looked at complementary angles. Today we are looking at supplementary angles. So supplementary angles are, again, a pair of angles that add up to 180 degrees. So yesterday at complementary, they added up to 90. Supplementary, they're adding up to 180 degrees. So this is rule number 2. So it's the second important rule that we're learning that's going to help us figure out mystery angles. So I'm going to show you what an example of a supplementary angle would look like, and then I'm going to do 2 examples when we have a mystery angle. So a supplementary angle could look like this: 130 degrees and 50 degrees. And as we can see, when we add them together, that is going to make 180. Now, it's important to remember that none of these they're not drawn to scale. So you wouldn't be able to measure them, okay? If you did, you may get it pretty close, but you wouldn't get the exact. Okay, so now we're going to look at 2 different examples and just have a go at figuring out what happened here in mystery one. So this one, we've got 35 degrees, and we have, again, our mystery x. So we can write it like this: x plus 35 equals 180. Okay, so x plus 35 equals 180. How do we figure that out? Well, we move the 35 to the other side. We just want to get x by itself. So do that by going x plus 35 minus 35, cancel, equals 180 minus 35, x equals 145. Okay, so x is 145 degrees. Okay, now let's go the other way. So this angle is 115. So again, we do the same thing. Okay, we go x plus 115 equals 180. Okay, and then we go x plus 115 minus 115 equals 180 minus 115. These 2 cancel, so we get x equals 65 degrees. So that is how we figure out supplementary angles. Okay, so some key things to remember. First of all, 180 is our new total, okay, that we're looking for. It's not 90, it's not 100, it's 180. Okay, they won't be drawn to scale, so we can't use a protractor. Okay, we've just got to use our mathematical knowledge. Okay, when we get one we don't know, we put it into our formula. It's the same formula as yesterday, except in today, the equal sign now has 180 on the other side instead of 90. Okay, and we solve through. So we figured out 145 and 65 for the 2 respective questions. Okay, so go have a go in your work. Okay, remember the key thing is you'll start getting them wrong if you start thinking of 90. You need to get your brain switched on for today. Supplementary equals 180. Okay, and be working through that. And then tomorrow, or no, not tomorrow, because tomorrow is Saturday. Next week, we will be looking at some even more interesting rules that are not to do with supplementary or complementary. So thanks for watching. Give it a go. Ask the questions if you need to. And I will catch you next week when we look at angles on a line. Cheers, boys.